America VR.
Okay, so I know I'm a little late on this, but the rainy season is here. So, yeah, let's go over some tips. Okay, so here, let's get into a room. Okay, in a room, and so first off, I want to show you the biggest thing, the most important thing for me, is the Lava Monkey boost. Oh my gosh, look at this. That was terrible. But as you can see, we've got the biggest speed boost of any update Gorilla Tag has ever let out. And yes, I'm moving so fast because I'm a pro and because of the new update. So yeah, we've got new speed boost. Next thing I want to show you is the newest thing in the map, and they are the lamps. It's a little light bulb, and we got like a street lamp that you can swing off of and stuff, and get on top of and stuff. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. But not only that, but we do have some rainy weather, but it's not always rainy. So you have to catch it when it's raining, just like you have to catch it when it's like dusk or dark, also known as night. Okay, next thing I want to show you, the rainy season exclusive merch sort of stuff, like the cosmetics. Okay, first off, right here, we've got Easter themed Egghead. It's a hat, cost 2,000 shiny rocks. We got a yellow Easter monkey badge. It goes for 3,500. 3,500 for this one, except the gorilla's blue. And this one is the same thing, same price, but this one's pink. This is free. It's just a face object. You can wear that with a hat, and of course it's 0 shiny rocks because it's free. This is like a hand rainy boot, and it costs 5,000. It's also a hand rainy boot, but it's a cloud one, and this one's golden. It's 4,000 shiny rocks. This one's just a yellow hand boot thing, and it's also 4,000. This one's a nice little hat, a rainy hat, and it goes for 2,000 shiny rocks. This one's like a raincoat necklace thing, and it goes for 2,000 shiny rocks, and of course it is a badge. This is something that goes in the hand. It's a umbrella thing, and it goes for 6,000 shiny rocks. Very expensive. Do not recommend getting that one unless you are a non-free-to-play player. And so, wait, what? That didn't even make any sense. I do not recommend getting this unless you are a non-free-to-play player. I guess I did say that right. Okay, and then this umbrella, it's 5,000 shiny rocks, and yeah, it's the same thing as that one, except it's black. This one's like a bunch of colors, and it's 5,000 shiny rocks. yeah, very cool. But I want to show you what these do. Yeah, because they're not just umbrellas that you carry. I mean, they are, but they're not. So, yeah, there's me with the egghead. I'm an egghead. Ooh. And we have this umbrella. Why is it not fold? I mean, why is it fold? Well, you just have to press the trigger button. And I'm a little rainy boy, and I need to go across the street. Can't see me now. Yeah, it is cool. And to close it, you press trigger and grip. And you press trigger. I guess you can just press trigger. But yeah, that's it. Okay. I'm going to get rid of this thing. Okay. And yeah, I think that should cover the rainy stuff. I will give a picture of the rainy weather because we don't have rainy weather right now, and I would like to show you guys. It is nice and sunny, but soon it will be rainy, and then I will go. I'm kidding, I will not do that. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, peace.